Good morning friends, we are from team 2. We are here to perform the GD on topic Indian education system needs serious reform. Yes, I do agree with this statement because education plays a major role in our country. Comparing with other countries, our country is somewhat backward in education system. We are habituated to learn only bookish knowledge rather than the practical knowledge. Yes, I am agree with Jyoti. In India, there is in India is better. He is very because they compared to the other countries because other countries has a theoretical knowledge and logical knowledge. In India, there is no theoretical knowledge, only practical knowledge.
In Indian education, there is no practical knowledge, only theoretical knowledge. In Indian education, they focus on marks, percentage, not communication skills, only on percentage marks. They have only bookish knowledge, not have any communication, and they have in Indian knowledge, Indian education, they have school feeding.
Yes, I agree. Yes, I agree with your point. In Indian education, we always only have a bookish knowledge. We are not doing things practically. We must improve our practical knowledge.
Students are interested in the technology, and nowadays students are not taking the classes when the teacher stays. We should tell the class in a movie way. If we will develop the educom smart classes, then they can learn easily.
Yes, because according to my view, US said well, but India also have practical knowledge, but it was the syllabus was outdated in the other in the other aspects in other countries. They are introducing the new technology in every new syllabus. So in our local universities like having the old theories and
Yes, then Delta, I agree this point. Now I am suggested this point. Few points. Government education is teachers always students pass their students and higher education is many of problems.
Well, we have so many acts regarding education. We have right to act and have a right to education and all. So by that we can implement more techniques and everyone has a right to education. So yes,
I'm agreed with the view of Sahitya. In India, there is two sectors, government sector and private sector. Not in government sector, there is teachers are well qualified, but there is no practical knowledge. Only they want to tell theoretically and bookish knowledge only. They want to develop more knowledge.
yes, I agree. But people are joining in private schools and they are not encouraging the poor students and poor people to educate. As Shanmugh said, that number of students are joining more in private schools rather than government schools due to fees structures also. Poor people cannot be educated well. So we must motivate the poor people and the education must be
the people are not concentrating on studies. In India, the people have the knowledge, but they are not applying. In other countries, they know the knowledge, they are applying, and because of they are not applying their knowledge in other fields, their India is underdeveloping. If we use our knowledge in correct way, the India will be in developed country.
Yes, I agree with Srikant's point that Indian people have knowledge but not apply it in a practical way. In some institutions like IITs and some other universities, they are in the first year itself they are doing projects and some other activities which are rather than their books. But in some universities and some colleges, but they are not applying their practical knowledge.
Indian education system as vast system is more for source hard, very hard than kids' opinion. Kids are not interested in Indian education. They want to like technologies, digital technology, and they want to learn lessons like practical and
Shikri, you want to tell something?
CBSE board in 2013 and 2015, the maths paper were beyond the syllabus student and were in out of syllabus, but some of them performed well, who taken expensive courses. So expensive courses should be improved.
Yes, I agree. It is very well, but sometimes we can learn more than from books also. But we have to apply what we know and what we can.
Finally, I concluded that, in my point of view, my experience is in our education system must be a all-round developer. It should be based on creative rather than mucking up. Practical or visualization education must be promoted, so it is better for our country.
Thank you one and all here. But I'm not very happy with this team because okay, fine. I just wanted all of you to please please listen to me. Like, what exactly happened with your team is you do not have proper coordination among each other. First point, and then majority of you have by-hearted few points, and I think you are here for the discussion. Yes, and I felt that most of you did not speak anything. You are passive, and as usual, already Roja ma'am mentioned, you missed eye contact. You did not try to link your discussion with your friends. Okay, and this girl or candidate one, she has initiated the discussion.
That's it.
And completely she was passive throughout the discussion. I was worried.
Might be the leader has given only 1 point to her to speak.
I was worried because when we are involved in discussion, it doesn't mean that you speak for a while and then keep your mouth shut, right? It's not that. We have to take turns and then speak. And coming to candidate 2, you also have come up with 1 or 2 points, and where you have lapses, like you're supposed to improve your communication, right? And your eye contact with your friends is missing, right? And coming to you, I didn't find you speaking throughout the discussion. You spoke only once, where you have lots of MTI influence, mother tongue influence, and you were also not very interactive in the discussion. And to some extent, she tried. Candidate 4 tried to some extent, but you were hesitant in the beginning, and little later you drew up confidence and you started speaking, but still you're supposed to improve your communication ability. You're not fine, you're not refined in your communication. And coming to candidate 5, I think you're very confident, but the thing is, you're panicked, and that's the reason you're unable to speak. I know you have content, but the thing is, when you are in a group, you were very panicked. So that's the reason you could not speak. And coming to candidate 6, you were not expressive, my dear, not expressive. You struggled a lot. Majority of the discussion you were very passive. So I wanted you to improve on that area. And candidate 7, I don't need to tell. You will be definitely eliminated from the GD if you are there. Because you did not take initiation, you did not take chances, you did not speak anything. When your friends have asked you to speak, you tried to speak some one point and you were calm, right? And coming to candidate 8, right? I felt that you have gap fillers and you were thinking, you are not spontaneous in your speech. You were brooding, thinking, and then trying to give something. I was very happy with this boy. He made an attempt, even though he was not very good, but still he has made a very good attempt to organize the discussion, but unfortunately none of you were organized. Thank you.
Right. So let me speak.